how to convert Excel table to normal range. Let's get started. To resize data in a Microsoft Excel table, you need to navigate to the Table Design tab. Obviously, you need to have the table selected or any cell in the table selected to make the Table Design tab available and visible to you. Once you have any cell selected, click Convert to Range. Excel prompts you for confirmation. Do you really want to convert the table into a normal range? Click Yes here, and after that, the table gets quickly converted into the regular range. It doesn't look much different, but there is no Table Design tab available, and sorting and filtering capabilities are not visible by default. If you would like to remove formatting that was originally applied to the table, now you have to select the entire range. After you've selected the range, you would need to select one of the styles that you would like. By default, Excel applies the normal style, so you might as well select normal style to start over.